In previous videos, you may have noticed that I have a shutdown icon on my desktop. In addition, if I go ahead and go to the start screen, you may notice the same shutdown icon on my start screen. By clicking on this icon, it will shut down my computer. So now the question becomes, how did I create that shutdown button and how did I pin it to my start screen? Well, the first thing that we need to do is actually create the shutdown button. And to do that, I'm going to go to my desktop app by simply clicking on the desktop tile. And now that I'm in the desktop, I'm going to go ahead and right click with my mouse in any empty area on the desktop. And from this pop-up, I want to go ahead and hover over where it says New. And from within this jump list, I want to create a new shortcut. So I'm going to click on Shortcut. At this point, we can browse for a shortcut to create. However, for our example, we're going to go ahead and actually type in some information here. So I'm just going to begin typing, and I'm going to type in there shutdown /P. And when I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And I can name this anything I want. So I'll call this one Demo Shutdown. Probably in your case, you'll just simply call it Shutdown. Once you're done naming your shortcut, go ahead and hit Finish. And now, as you can see, I have an icon on my screen. However, if you look at my icon and compare it to the one I created in the past, they look dramatically different. So something else that most people will do is associate a graphic with their shutdown button. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So with my demo shutdown button already created, I'm going to go ahead and right click on that button. And I'm going to go to Properties. From the Properties menu, make sure that you're in Shortcut. And at the bottom where it says Change Icon, go ahead and click on this button. And when you do this, a pop-up will emerge that says there's no icon that has been specified for this file. Go ahead and simply hit OK. And a list of icons will appear on your screen. And in this case, the one that I want is this one right here in the lower listing, which is basically my shutdown icon. You might have to scroll a little bit from left to right to be able to find the actual icon that you're looking for. Like I said, in this case, I've already found the icon I want. I simply go ahead and click on it and hit OK and hit OK once again. And now, as you can see, my icon has been changed to what I want. So now that the button's created, our next step is to go ahead and pin this button onto our start screen. To do that, I simply right click on the button that I want to pin. And from this area, I go ahead and click Pin to Start. And when I do that, you still see that the button's on the desktop, and it should be. But if I go to my start screen, you can see at the very back end, I had the demo shutdown button right here. And if I go ahead and press that button, as you can see, it is shutting down Windows 8. So that is how you create a shutdown button on Windows 8.